Hi, I'm Justin Dunn, Field Marketing Manager at Haws, and today we are highlighting our newest product, the RIVIVE Hydration Station bottle filler and drinking fountains. RIVIVE Hydration Station makes hydration easy with simple installation, low maintenance, and customizable filtration. Ideal for schools, healthcare, transportation, and any environment needing clean, convenient hydration. The RIVIVE Hydration Station offers a range of model configurations to fit your needs. Bottle filler models include recessed, chilled, or surface mount options. Chilled and non-chilled bottle fillers and drinking fountain models include a bottle filler with single or high-low fountain options. All recessed models are ADA compliant and feature our field configurable filtration system for flexible filtration options. Each unit includes durable mounting frames, ensuring easy installation and reliable performance in any setting. What makes the RIVIVE Hydration Station a superior choice? Let's take a closer look at its key advantages. Vandal resistance. Engineered to last with a best-in-class sensor, 16-gauge stainless steel, premium push buttons, and an anti-rotational bubbler head for enhanced durability. Field configurable filtration. Each unit includes a 5-year strainer and a 3,000-gallon filter, allowing you to customize filtration based on your needs. Ease of install and maintenance. Featuring the smallest footprint, a self-squaring mounting system, and an intuitive setup, ensuring seamless installation and maintenance. Programmability. Adjustable settings let you schedule and customize operation to maximize efficiency. Energy savings. A scheduled non-operational mode and auto shutoff conserve energy when the unit is not in use or in low light conditions. Hygienic features. Designed for cleanliness with a 24-hour auto purge, touchless activation, simple drain cleaning, and a tankless chiller for fresher, cleaner water. With these innovative features, the RIVIVE Hydration Station helps you elevate your facility's hydration standards, ensuring efficiency and compliance at every level. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to subscribe to the Haws YouTube channel for more product highlights and hydration videos. For detailed information on RIVIVE Hydration Station and filtration, visit www.hawsco.com/revive or call us at 1-888-640-4297.